Hi.
Hi.
And welcome back to Patricia channel.
Yeah. And today was Kim's first day at school.
Yeah, at my new school.
New school, the high school, and
Piaristen.
Pieriston.
In Köln.
Yeah.
And it's next to
My
almost
universities. Where I
and
was
es ist wirklich nah an Ingwachen, unsere Zuhause.
Yeah, and also close to home. So,
Then bye.
bye bye.
Peace. Bye bye.
Hello, hello, hello. So, this is a new week. It's Monday the 2nd, and I have some news about my vlogs. I'll be posting at least once a week, something most probably on Sundays. And this week I want to go through my diary. I have these quotes every day, and I want to be talking about them daily. So read the quote and talk something on it. So the next video you will see now is about today's quote. So guys, let me know what you think. Let's support each other, and yeah, see you soon again on Tuesday. Bye bye. Hi guys, once again, welcome, welcome. Well, I want to talk about something I read from my diary today. It's quote, it's in German, which I will translate in English. The picture you will see up here. Yeah, it says that from positive thoughts and motivation comes also positive things in your life. Yeah, this is very, very true. We tend to have different thoughts in our lives. Yeah, you wake up in the morning, yeah, maybe you start thinking about what you're going to experience that day, or check into your calendar. So just making coffee, and yeah, this could be positive things or also negative things. However, something that I'm trying to learn, let me not even use the word try, that I want to really learn and master, is living in a positive surrounding and thoughts. Yeah, something that I changed really is like watching the news or reading the newspaper. It's been a while since I really grabbed a newspaper or even put my TV on, not really. I maybe tend to watch here and there Netflix. And yeah, well, what do I watch? I watch comedies, and I love thrillers. I like this, sometimes when they leave you in a suspense. Yeah, so newspapers, most of what we read, like even the first page is always something negative. On TV, the news, yeah, I mean, there are things that we cannot avoid in life. They are there, they exist. Nonetheless, if you read or watch such news, they tend to stick in your head, and yeah, here and there during the day or even the next days, it will always come back to you, and you tend to think about them, and this do really affect your day-to-day life. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm really focused on learning and mastering. And well, I wanted to share that with you. The next, I will post again soon. I mean, it's still one video going on. So let me have my coffee. Afternoon coffee. Yeah. And see you later, guys. Bye. So to finalize Monday's chapter is a question to you. What thoughts and habits make you happy? Ponder on that and yeah, write them down, think about them, and keep them going. So guys, see ya. So hello, hello, hello. It's a new day and it's afternoon already in the beautiful city of Krems, like usual for the last days. And Today's calendar quote is: no one really knows what they can until they try it or do it. So I was actually looking for examples. Then I saw the food. And I remember when I came to Austria, there were some typical Austrian foods that I really never dared try, because just from looking at them, I thought, oh my god, this is not gonna taste good. And yes, of course, with time, I tried and they were amazing. Like, really, wow. An example was, yeah, the oysters. I mean, they're not typical Austrian food. There were things I used to see and I was like, no, that thing looks yucky and all that. That I'm trying to balance this. Yeah, I tried and they were good. So there's so many things out there that we don't dare try because we think, oh, we're not capable of doing them, or when we do them, they'll go wrong. Or we just keep on giving ourselves excuses not to try something or do something. And then you see someone else doing it and you're like, oh my god, maybe that was my idea, or uh, I could do it better, but someone else took this challenge and overtook you. So all in all is take that step, do it, try something, just do it. If it doesn't work, well and good. If it does, then super. And also there are so many other chances that you could keep on trying the same thing again and again, and at one point it will work. Let me eat. Bye guys. Hello, my people. It's Wednesday, and yeah. So today's quotes: can never be happy when what you believe in doesn't align with what you're doing. Think about that. Yeah. Cannot be happy. Not really. If what your thoughts, what you're thinking of, doesn't align with what you're doing. Yeah, as you have seen in my previous videos, um, I've been talking a lot about thoughts, yeah, and what you think is actually what you become. So, well, let me find an example and get back to you soon. Bye bye. Oh, back. I got an example. So, let's say you're thinking of quitting to smoke, yeah. However, you're still smoking. You're doing it, yeah, you're still smoking, but you want to quit it. The best thing to do is actually find ways or start thinking of really quitting and doing it. And also, another thing, nothing comes easy. You also have to do something about it. Yeah, thinking alone is not everything. You have to do. Think and find ways of how you will get what you're thinking. Do something. Not just sit there and waiting for manna from heaven to just flow down. No. So guys, what do you think about it? Comment down there. Yeah. And see you on Thursday, tomorrow. Wishing you a lovely and beautiful, happy day. I'm enjoying here. It's, yeah, you can see beautiful background up there. I'm waiting for some friends. So guys, see you tomorrow. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing? We are doing fine. Just someone finished school and we are heading home.
And you missed the bus.
And we missed the bus, yeah. So we have to wait and
You
wait.
missed it.
Yeah, you also missed.
Yeah, before, but
Yeah.
I was alone and until you. You are
I'm older and
you're older than 30.
yeah. Shh. So guys, as you have seen already, today's topic, Thursday it is, and today's quote is, as you have read, it says, "If you succeed everything that you try in life, then you're not trying enough." Ponder into that. Can you say something about it? So, like, if you do something in life or things that you do in life and you succeed in them, then you're not doing enough. Yeah.
I can say something.
Yeah?
Was heißt das? What
What?
does it mean?
Yeah, but I just talked about it now. I just
Then
say.
what means?
So, like, if you do
You said
something,
before a word. What I didn't understand.
succeed.
No, before.
What do you mean?
You said today the thing.
The today's topic. Today,
Yeah,
not topic. The
topic.
quote.
Yeah, and then you said, please.
Think about it.
Ja,
Ponder into
ja,
it.
was heißt Ponder?
Ponder. Ponder is to think about it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now I'm one word better.
Yeah. One word clever.
Because
Yeah.
my mom is better than Duden in English.
Yeah, you're doing really good. So, life has its challenges, and so if you tend to really succeed in everything, means that you're not trying enough. So you don't have enough challenges. Yeah. So you have to have it. Look at this boy. And I'll Google it. I'll do Dr. Google now and come back to you. Let's see what they say. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Peace. So back again, and I read something just now explaining about the quote that I talked about, and it says that like winners are not just winners because they got lucky and won. They experimented and they had big goals to achieve, and of course they had ups and downs, and then it made them succeed. So you have to have ups and downs, and don't forget to focus on your goals. So guys, see you tomorrow, Friday, and Friday's quote. Bye bye, darling boy. Hey. Friday it is, and I'm laying on the sofa. Yeah. Old age is catching up. Yeah, well. Hope you guys had a wonderful Friday and looking forward to the weekend, like every other day, of course. So, as you have seen already, today's quote is about being grateful. So, it says that being grateful is a declaration of love to life or to our life. So, it's all about being thankful. Yeah, there are so many things that one can be thankful for. Yeah, like I could say I'm really thankful that I can lay here. I'm so tired that I can just relax and enjoy the evening before bed. I'm full. I had a wonderful day. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Also grateful for my son's health and happiness, and mine as well, and my surrounding, my friends, family. There's so many things that we should be grateful for, and also like, yeah, it's not something that everyone is used to, and the reasons, of course, that I'm making such vlogs is to share this with everyone, and yeah, hoping that you will learn a thing or two, or of course more. And yeah, it's a learning process, of course. sometimes we tend to, like, you wake up and you're like, oh, thank you, or you just call someone and say thank you, or yeah, like I have this diary that what's actually where I'm getting the quotes for each day. I have like every day in the morning, I have like 3 places to fill in what I'm thankful for in that day, and it's actually normally in the morning. And yeah, I do this daily and also in the evening. Have you heard the story about this rich person who saw a poor guy dumping his hands into a dustbin looking for food, and thought to himself, I'm so glad that I'm not poor? Then the poor guy saw someone else on a wheelchair and thought to himself, thank God I can walk. Then the guy in the wheelchair had an ambulance rushing through the streets with blue lights and thought to himself, thank God I'm not in this ambulance. And then the guy who was in the ambulance reached the hospital and was put in a room, and the person next to him just died, or her passed. And he thought to himself, I'm very grateful that I am alive. Well, where do I want to get with this? It means like you can only be grateful when you're alive. When you're dead, you cannot. So live your life, enjoy it, be thankful, be grateful for every little or big thing that you achieve or get or experience. Be happy and grateful that you have that with you. It could be your health, that you're not sick, or you have a roof under your head. Could be anything. Yeah. Be thankful, think about it, and yeah. Have a lovely Friday and weekend, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, my lovely people. So it's Sunday. I know I said from the last video, see you tomorrow. It's supposed to be yesterday. Well, that was actually supposed to be the last video of this week, and I'm gonna be doing it now before I just upload the whole video. Yeah, I want to say again, thank you so much for subscribing, watching, liking, sharing, commenting. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to more. Yeah, as you have noticed from this week's quotes from my calendar, they were really focusing more on thoughts, the power of the thoughts, and also being grateful. Yeah, I hope you have learned something. I actually did, like really did. What, is it raining or something? Or am I just hearing my own things? Well, guys, so if you haven't subscribed, I'm watching. Yeah, please do share, comment, let me know what you want to hear or watch. Yeah, and yeah, see you next week. Thank you.